Yeah, what's up guys? Mikey Guitar is back again with a new tone, with a new series of lessons. So I want you guys to stay tuned, okay? Stay connected. If you have any question, if you have anything, any challenge in your music, I want you to drop it down in the comment section, okay? I will give you the answer. Drop it down in the comment section, okay? So for today, I want to come up with a little lessons, okay? That will help and benefit you, okay? I want to drop a lesson that will guide and protect the new beginners, most especially the beginners, okay? So they don't venture into these same mistakes, okay? So I would like to come in with a new series that will help mostly the beginners and the intermediate as well. Okay, so for today, I'll be showing you 5 mistakes every beginner has made. Okay, so for today, I want you to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos each and every time I post a new video. Okay, I'll be glad if I see your comment and your thumbs up. Okay, I will so much be glad seeing that from you. And if you have any challenges, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. So the number 1 mistakes every new guitarist made is inconsistent in your playing. You must be consistent in whatever you are doing. If you're trying to play a kind of a jazz music, or you want to play gospel music or reggae music or any kind of music series, you must be consistent in that particular area, in that particular field, so that you will be able to, at least at the end of the day, you get what you want. Okay, so number two is persistent. When you start playing something, okay, let's say for instance you want to learn how to run maybe a chromatic scale. This is the key of F, the key of C. Okay, if you want to learn how to play a chromatic scale, you have to learn it. You have to be persistent on it until you know how to play it very well. For instance, you want to learn how to play maybe a pentatonic scale, which is a something like that. You need to be persistent over and over. But now this one is taking me to the number 3. The number 3 is don't rush. Okay, don't rush whenever you're playing. Whatever you're playing that you know you're not good on it, okay, start it step by step. Okay, like the pentatonic, you start it very slow. Okay, you come back again. Okay, come back again. As you're playing it often, as you're playing it on the daily basis, on the regular basis, okay, you see your finger getting used to it. You see your finger getting fixed to the fretboard, and you'll be able to play it the way you want to play it. Okay, but number 3, you need to don't rush. Play it step by step. Okay, so your fingers get to master on it. Okay, so the number 4 is don't overplay. don't overplay. Okay, most new beginners made that mistake of overplaying when they're starting music or when they're starting learning the guitar. They overplay. When I say overplay, is you want to play everything at the same day you just start your lesson. You want to play everything at the same month, at the same week. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, it doesn't work that way. So the best way to achieve that is for you to play it with time. Give time to whatever you are playing. Give time to whatever you are playing. Okay, give time to whatever you are playing, and you see yourself playing it well. Give time to whatever you're playing. You see yourself playing it well. So don't rush. Okay, don't rush. Okay, don't rush. Whatever you are doing, do it with all honesty, do it with all diligence. Okay, whatever you're trying to play it with all diligence. Okay, and you see yourself growing. You see yourself growing bit by bit. Don't try to play everything at the same day, at the same week, at the same month. Okay, give yourself time, enough time. And the number 5 is a lot of this time. A lot of the new beginners, they don't give adequate time to lead guitar. Lead guitar itself or music itself needs time. If you have, let me say, if we have 24 hours and make it daily, okay, at least try as much as possible to give your lead guitar 3 hours to 4 hours every day. Try as much as possible to give 3 hours to 4 hours every day. Okay, don't try to play everything at the same time. Okay, because when you give it time, you will be able to learn, and you will be able to play as much as you want, as the way you want it, or as the way you always see other guitarists playing. Because if you don't give it time, you won't be able to play. Okay, so these 5 mistakes is really vital, and you need to know them as a new beginner. As a beginner in the field of lead guitar, you need to know them. Even in music itself, you need to know them. Okay. So in case you are trying to engage or encounter these 5 things, I want you to try as much as possible to take yourself out from it. Okay. And I believe you're gonna come out a good guitarist. I believe you're gonna come out best. Okay. So for today, I came with that to tell you, because we are about to go into the music itself. We are about to go into many more lessons and videos, okay, that will help and enhance your playing, okay, after this video. So subscribe and stay tuned to this channel, and please make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my videos. And I believe you guys are always there for me. Thank you very much, and make sure you share this video. It might help 1 or 2 people out there. Okay, make sure you share the video and like, subscribe, drop your comment in the comment section. Anything that is your challenge, drop it in the comment section and I'll give you an answer. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Bye for now.